How to configure transactional emails in StoreConnect. So StoreConnect comes with a set of standard emails which can be sent at different points in a customer's journey. So let's take a look now what these are and how you can configure them to your needs. So I'm in the StoreConnect dashboard here. I'm first going to go look at my store record. So I'll go StoreConnect Navigation, Configuration, Stores, All Stores, open my store record. And if you locate the Additional Relationships tab and click on this, you'll find here a transactional emails section. So I'll view all these. These are all the default transactional emails which StoreConnect comes with. They can be enabled, disabled, and modified as needed. Having a look here, we can see that currently only one of these transactional emails are enabled, which is the payment success email. Obviously that's needed so that a customer will receive an email once they've made a successful payment. But there are many others available here which can be used as needed. To take a look at the columns on the screen, we have the enabled column. We have the order status column, which corresponds to the status of an individual order. To see what that is, I'm going to open up an order. I'll search orders. And I'll open up an order record. And along the top here, these are the order statuses. So this is determining what order status will trigger the sending of this particular email. Then you have the checkout step. So as you can see, we have two columns here to judge whether a particular email should be sent. The third column, cart abandoned, also qualifies this even further so that in the case of an abandoned cart, a totally different kind of email can also be sent. And finally, in the last column here, it's simply determining which email template will be used, as in what is the content of the email. So let's now take a closer look at one of these. I'll look at my order payment success. I'll edit this record, and simply here you can choose whether it's enabled, the store it belongs to, whether it relates to an abandoned cart, the email template it uses, the order status, and the checkout step. And this is all that's needed to be configured for the sending of this particular transactional email. However, to take an even deeper look at this, we'll go up to the cogwheel, click Setup, then in the quick find bar, search Classic Email Templates. Open this, and then if you open up the folder here, you'll find StoreConnect Templates. And here are all the email templates which come with StoreConnect. So I can simply locate the one which refers to order payment success. I'll open this up. And here we have a basic preview of what that email actually looks like. And then we can open this up by clicking Edit Properties. And we can change things such as the name of the email template. You can assign them to different folders. You can include an internal description of what this email template is, as well as set the subject line for this email. By looking at this section now, we can even go Edit Template. And it'll open up the HTML code for editing every part of the email itself. Now in this case, these email templates are also managed, which means they have properties which cannot be edited for the sake of ease of future updates of StoreConnect. But if you'd like to edit this, then you can simply click Clone to make a new email template on top of this. You can give it a new name, description, and then save it, and then you'll be good to edit everything. Cloning an email template is the same as cloning a page layout. But when you create a clone, you'll need to give it a unique email template name. And then if you decide to use this new email template, you'll need to go back to your transactional emails list, edit the appropriate email record, and then update the template API name to your new clone, whatever the new name may be, so that it will now send the new template instead of the old one. Now looking back at an individual order record, if you look at activities, you can then see a complete history of all emails which have been sent to this particular customer, which was in this case using the payment success template. If for some reason you'd like to prevent emails from being sent for a particular order, you can click More, click Notifications, and then unselect Send Confirmation Emails to prevent any future transactional emails from being sent relating to this particular order. Also, looking back in the store record, if you go to the Email tab, you'll see here that there are 3 more standard emails which you can set templates for, such as a customer's email address confirmation email, a contact invitation email, as well as a reset password notification email, as well as setting the email address from which emails are sent. And that's the basics of configuring transactional emails for your StoreConnect store.